Hello, part-timers, full-timers, and everyone in between. My name is Erin, and welcome back to the Luxe Fifth Wheel channel. Today we are going to see and talk about the standard toy hauler bedroom and the optional vanity slide. We're starting off in the standard setup, nightstands on each side, individual reading lights, and storage above. We'll swing over to the closet, and I wanted to point out the mirrors on the doors here can be solid panels or even frosted glass. In the door here is a washer and dryer, but typically it is just more closet space and a place for the TV to slide into. Deep space here with a hanging rod, a great place to hang shirts and still have a place to put shoes. Drawers underneath, and as always, the drawers are made of real hardwood that are dovetail jointed together for strength. Over to the dresser with the egress window above. And now we're going to transition over to see what the vanity slide offers the toy hauler. At first look, I'm sure you can already see the major differences. The space between the bed and dresser and the closet bedside has increased. You still have the side tables, lights, and storage, but the walk-in closet expands your storage space, including the shoe rack, and optionally, you can put matching dressers in place of the washer and dryer here in the closet. The wardrobe and TV has changed. Egress window stays the same, and the drawers below turn into cabinets. The vanity slide is just one way of personalizing a Luxe toy hauler. You can learn more by using our toy hauler builder on our website or talking with one of our factory reps. If you have any questions, drop a comment and we'll see you next time.